Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking and Karma. I'm Denise Marie Nichols and today we are going to make Hasselback potatoes, particularly sweet potatoes. Why sweet potatoes, you ask? Because today we are focusing on skin health. Did you know that sweet potatoes have a ton of vitamin E and vitamin C? Both of those will keep your skin glowing and supple. And the vitamin C actually will help produce collagen, and that will help us keep our skin nice and tight. So off we go. We are going to start out with 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes. Now, I'm also adding some white potatoes. They're going to have to be cooked a little separate, but I'm adding those because not everybody in my family likes sweet potatoes. But I do, and I am looking out for my skin, so that's where we're going to start. You're also going to need butter, olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. Now, if you want the leveled up version of this, you also are going to need some Greek yogurt and some scallions. Let's get started. All right, as you can see, we are cutting the potatoes. Now, it is going to be super hard to cut those sweet potatoes. Cut them down about 1/8 of an inch, not all the way through. It's much easier to do the white potatoes, so make sure you have a good grasp on it and a super sharp knife and some muscle. You can also see in the corner, I already pre-chopped a couple of garlic cloves. I don't know, just they're not quite minced, but just I'm struggling. But just chop away, and then there's the second one. I already kind of did a few. And then I just pressed and sawed. Those sweet potatoes are tough. If you want to, you can par cook them, and it'll make them a little bit easier to Next, we're going to cut the regular white potatoes. As you can see, after doing the sweet potatoes, it's almost like butter, but you still have to keep your hands free and be very careful so that you don't cut them. I like to move slowly when I'm doing these because, mistakes happen, and keep those fingers and those knuckles away from your knife. After that, I put some olive oil and melted butter in a bowl. I'm giving that a stir. I'm adding those couple of chopped garlic cloves in there. Give that a stir as well. I love garlic. The more the merrier. Garlic is really to your taste. We're going to also add some either fresh or dried thyme. Here we're adding dried thyme. I forgot to buy the fresh. I'm adding a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and give that a really big stir. As you can see, I have my sweet potato on a lined pan, and I'm just taking my brush and I am brushing the butter oil mixture on top of my potato. Now, once it's cooking about halfway done, I'm gonna kind of take a fork and open it up and fan in some more butter and olive oil mixture with the garlic. Same thing with the white potatoes, and just to get it infused inside. Okay, so that's in the oven, and it's going to be cooking for about 50 minutes. So for the leveled up version, what we're gonna do is make a really beautiful sauce. As we know, a lot of us put sour cream on top of our potatoes, but this is going to be a healthier version. So I have, it's supposed to be about 1/3 of a cup of Greek yogurt. I probably got a little more. After that, you are going to just simply put in some green onions and a little bit of salt, and I'll crackle in some pepper. And then we're going to stir this up. While we are stirring, did you know that, like carrots and spinach, sweet potatoes have beta carotene in it? And beta carotene, when it enters your body, turns into vitamin A. Do you know what vitamin A is a derivative of? Retinol. And I know we've all heard of retinol. And retinol is a product that we use to help cell turnover, to get brand new cells, which is super wonderful for wrinkles. And it stimulates the production of collagen, again with the collagen. So it makes wrinkles virtually disappear. Okay, if you don't know this, I absolutely adore green onions. So we're gonna let the green onions and the Greek yogurt be happy, And when those potatoes come out, you're gonna be in for a big, happy surprise. All right, girls, it has been 50 minutes. Actually, I have the bigger one is still in there. Look at how beautiful this turned out. Added a little bit of sea salt at the end, crispy. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is beautiful. I love it. And now we know our skin is taken care of with our HASSELBACK sweet potatoes. I am literally sweating. It is so hot in here with this oven on. But if you like the HASSELBACK potatoes and the leveled up version, just know that I have more to come. If you found any value in this whatsoever, subscribe to my channel. Love you all, and know that cooking with karma is with happiness and health meat. Bless you all.